Youdao Dictionary Pen Update 2.7.0. To update your pen, go to Settings, scroll down and find Update. Click on it. If you're connected to the internet, your download will start. If not, you have to go to Network and connect. You can also connect to your phone's hotspot. Please restart your device after the update. To do so, long press the red button that is on the side of the pen. Press it for around 6 seconds. Long press it again to turn it on. Select the system's language. In this case, I'll choose English. Select the languages you want to translate or study. I chose Chinese. Select your network and input your password. Click on Next until you find the home page. When translating Chinese, whenever you scan a sentence, you will see the words underlined. This means that you can click on them for further review. Click on the word and get the meaning and pronunciation. You can also scroll down for more examples or click on a character for the character stroke order. Scroll down, click on the double arrow icon to get more examples and more definitions. You can also just tap on a word. You will get example sentences with pronunciation and pinning. Click on the speaker icon to listen to the pronunciation.
活动筋骨
You can also click on the double arrow button to get more definitions and more examples.
出去活动活动
To translate to Spanish, go to Settings, click on Learning Language, and select English to Spanish. Scan a word or sentence to translate.
What is your favorite instrument? My favorite instrument is the drum.
Tap on the words for further review. Besides translating, the pen also gives the verb conjugations. Just click here to check them. In this update, you can also change the system's language in the settings. Just find System Language and select the language you want. In this case, I will try Spanish. If the system's language is in Spanish, you will only be able to translate between English and Spanish. Done! You can choose between Spanish, English, and Chinese for your system's language.